Tonight, it gives me great pleasure to review this color drawing workshop book from Bet Borgenson. This was the first book that I started out with colored pencil, and I can't recommend anything else better to start out with. She has the colorist approach throughout the book. She also covers handling the surface and texture in very good detail, and it's a great reference for beginners.
Color Drawing Workshop is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to explore the potential of colored pencils as a fine art medium. The book is informative, comprehensive, and inspiring. It shows the reader how to create realistic, expressive, and beautiful drawings with colored pencils. The book is a must-have for anyone who loves color and drawing. Color Drawing Workshop is a book that teaches the reader how to use colored pencils as a fine art medium. The author, Bet Borgenson, is an artist and teacher who wrote the first article and book on the techniques of colored pencil drawing in the US.
In this book, she covers topics such as color structure, modeling with color, rendering textures, using whites, capturing light, and using wet media. The book is divided into 6 chapters, each with lessons and assignments that help the reader develop their skills and creativity.
The book also includes examples of Borgeson's own drawings and those of other artists who use colored pencils.
The book is suitable for beginners and intermediate artists who want to learn more about the possibilities of colored pencils. The book provides clear and practical methods for drawing in color, as well as a variety of strategies for becoming a colorist.
The book also offers tips and tricks for overcoming common challenges and problems that arise when working with colored pencils. The book is well illustrated with colorful and detailed drawings that demonstrate the techniques and effects that can be achieved with colored pencils.
Well, that is Dean's Friend for the Artist's Book Review for today. More coming soon, so please subscribe, tickle the bell, comment, and like to give a friend for the artists a boost.